In this video, we're going to go over taking some links out of a bar chain. Now obviously this is a brand new unit and the front roller is still has lots of adjustment left to go. So if you need to take links out of your chain, this bearing's going to be way out here toward the front and you're going to use up all of your adjustment on this pusher rod down here. So when you need to take links out of the chain, I would leave the front roller adjusted out here until you drive the one or two of these pins, however many pins you need to drive out. Okay, let's talk about the chain itself. If you look at the heads on these pins, they've been staked or kind of braided over to keep the pin from coming out of the chain. Okay, the way that you break this chain at a place where there's no master pin, like this pin here with a Carter key through it, is take a grinder and grind the head of that pin down till it gets flush with that link. And most of the time we choose to do that on the inside of the chain. Grind it down flat. You can put a big punch against it and drive this pin out that way. Or if you prefer, and you can get in here to grind this pin down on this side, then grind the head off here till it gets flush and put a big punch in here and knock it out that way. And of course you have to do that on both sides. Now that's how to get the pin out where there's not a master pin. Okay, if you'll notice out here on this other side, there's a pin that goes through that with a Carter key. So if you run this chain around until that pin lines up with that slot in the rail over there, you can simply take that Carter key out and push that pin out real easy with a punch. So that breaks it in one place. But if you determine you've got to take 2 or 3 links out of it, then you're going to have to grind the head off of one of those pins, either in front of that master or behind that master, and drive the links out of it. Now, or the pins out of it, I'm sorry. If once you get the pins out, you can use that same master link and Carter key to put the chain back together. But before you do that, you want to move this front roller all the way to the back to take advantage of as much adjustment as you can get, and put your chain back together and take those the master pins and put the chain back together and then just bend that Carter key over. Okay, for some reason if you take too many links out of your chain, we have these chain links. This is an 88K chain link and it comes with 2 pins, Carter keys, and 1 link. So if you take too much of too many links out, you always have the option of adding them back by buying these. And once you get it put back together, adjust your front roller back out until you get about an 1/8 to 1/4 inch gap between the bottom of that chain and that first cross member under there. And always measure from the bearing to the front of the rail, and whatever it is on one side, make it the same on the other side. You always want to adjust this front roller out parallel.